Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Battle.net not updating, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Task Manager. From here, go to Battle.net. Now right-click on it. Then select End Task. Now scroll through and check if there are any other tasks from Battle.net. And then end them. Scroll through and make sure there are no tasks from Battle.net running. After that, close Task Manager. Now search and open Run on your computer. After that, run the command as shown here. Then click on OK. Now delete the Battle.net file from here. Also, there will be another file called Blizzard Entertainment. Delete that as well. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.